Hello everyone, welcome to Food for Thought Dom Gamut, a math and cooking tutorial.
Hello guys, here is the problem to be solved. Bracket x minus 5 bracket to the power of 3 is equal to negative 27. So we have to find the value of x. Let's write the solution and we'll write the given equation. By this expression, we're gonna add 27 to both sides. Then go ahead and simplify. Then we're gonna get the factor of 27. This will be written as 3 raised to 3. Then we write 3 raised to 3 instead of 27. By this form, use the sum of two cubes, which is a cube plus b cube is equal to bracket a plus b bracket times bracket a raised to 2 minus ab plus b squared bracket. So we use the product of sum of two cubes with the given equation. Let us assign a as the x minus 5 and b is 3. Then let's plug it in the values of a and b in the product of sum of two cubes. Then simplify. This must be positive to x. Then combine terms. Now we have two cases. Case 1 is x minus 2 is equal to 0. And case 2 is x squared minus 13x plus 49 is equal to 0. So we're gonna use the quadratic formula to find the values of x. Where a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 13, and c is equal to 49. Go ahead and plug in the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula. And simplify. So negative square root of 27 is the same as square root of 27 times square root of negative 1, wherein the square root of negative 1 is equal to I, the imaginary number. Square root of 27 is the same as square root of 9 times square root of 3. Now that we've got the value of x, this means that we have two values of x, or this will be written as 13 plus 3 square root of 3i over 2 and 13 minus 3 square root of 3i over 2. This will be the answer, but it's in the form of complex, so this will be rejected. It is not a solution for the given equation. Let's evaluate the case 1, x is equal to 2. Using the given equation, obviously both sides are equal to negative 27. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2 satisfies the given equation, and it's a solution of the given equation.
If you liked, enjoyed, and learned from this video, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share, and hit the bell for more exciting math topic video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day to everyone. Happy learning!